Hey there. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to reduce cholesterol, and I'm going to show you exactly that. Today, we'll break it down step by step so you can make informed decisions to help lower your cholesterol naturally. We'll focus on simple changes you can make to your diet, lifestyle, and daily habits that will make a significant difference over time. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we show you the how, let's take a moment to understand what cholesterol actually is. Cholesterol is a type of fat found in your blood. Your body needs cholesterol to build cells, but too much of the wrong kind can lead to serious health problems, like heart disease. There are two types of cholesterol: LDL, often called the bad cholesterol, and HDL, the good cholesterol. The key here is to lower LDL levels while boosting your HDL levels, and I'll show you how. Focus on your diet. One of the most powerful ways to reduce cholesterol is by changing what you eat. Let's talk about a few food groups that will help you lower those LDL levels. Eat more soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is like a sponge that absorbs cholesterol in your digestive system and helps carry it out of your body. Foods rich in soluble fiber include oats, beans, lentils, fruits like apples, and vegetables like Brussels sprouts. A study done by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition back in 1999 found that just eating oatmeal every day can lower your LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. So, having a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast can be a game changer. Include healthy fats. You want to swap unhealthy fats with heart-healthy ones. Cut back on saturated fats, like those found in red meat and butter, and trans fats, often found in fried and processed foods. Instead, go for sources of healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fats can help increase your HDL, the good cholesterol. In 2010, researchers from Harvard found that replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats could lower LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%, which is pretty significant. Add plant sterols and stanols. These are natural substances found in plants that help block the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. You can find them in fortified foods like certain margarines, orange juice, and yogurt. Studies from the European Heart Journal in 2006 showed that consuming plant sterols daily can lower LDL cholesterol by about 6 to 15%. Get active. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to increase your HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps remove the bad LDL from your bloodstream. Start with 30 minutes a day. You don't need to become a marathon runner, but getting at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week is key. This could be brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing. If you're new to exercise, start with just 10 minutes a day and work your way up. The Mayo Clinic recommends activities like aerobic exercise and resistance training because they've been proven to improve cholesterol levels. A 2013 study published in Circulation showed that people who exercised regularly saw their HDL levels go up by 5 to 10%. Maintain a healthy weight. If you're carrying extra weight, shedding even just a few pounds can have a big impact on your cholesterol levels. Make small, sustainable changes. Start by cutting out sugary drinks like soda, limiting portion sizes, and increasing your physical activity. Research from the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute shows that losing as little as 5 to 10% of your body weight can reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, another type of fat that contributes to heart disease. To get detailed videos on how to lose weight, check out the playlist that will show up on your screen right about now. Quit smoking. If you're a smoker, quitting will improve your HDL cholesterol and overall heart health. Studies have shown that within 20 minutes of quitting, your blood pressure and heart rate start to drop. Within a year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but the benefits are absolutely worth it. Limit alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can sometimes raise HDL, drinking too much can cause serious health problems, including raising your LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Experts recommend no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. This advice comes from decades of research, including guidelines from the American Heart Association. There you have it. By making these small but powerful changes, focusing on a healthier diet, staying active, managing your weight, quitting smoking, and drinking in moderation, you can lower your cholesterol and improve your heart health. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, share this video with someone who might need it, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching.